Still dealing with slow internet or not enough Ethernet ports at home? Yeah, that's exactly where a good network switch changes everything. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or running a smart home setup, the right switch can boost your speed and keep everything running smooth. In this video, I'm breaking down the best network switches for home. Simple, powerful, and totally worth it. And if you see something you like, don't wait. Check the product links in the description to grab the best deals right now. Let's get into it. Product 5, TP-Link 8 Port Gigabit Switch, Plug-Play Metal. Choosing a switch? Here's why metal matters over plastic. Plastic switches. Cheap, light, but heat, EMI, and fragility. Cheaper switches with fans. Noisy, shorter lifespan, inconsistent throughput. TL-SG-108, all metal, fanless, 8 gigabit RJ45 ports, plug and play. Performance, gigabit auto negotiation, auto MDI MDIX, zero setup. Energy efficient, IEEE 802.3AZ reduces power, saves operational costs. Metal casing improves heat dissipation, EMI protection, long-term durability. Fanless design ensures silent operation. 802.3x flow control prevents congestion. Dedicated loop prevention button stops network disrupting loops fast. Port-based 802.1p DSCP-QS and IGMP snooping prioritize video, voice, show plastic switch overheating versus TL-SG-108, cool metal casing. Ideal for home offices, small businesses, gamers, streamers, CCTV. Backed by 3-year warranty and TP-Link live technical support. Choose metal, fanless gigabit switch when reliability matters most. Don't miss out. Tap the product link in the description and upgrade your network today. Product 4, 8 Port 10G Ethernet Switch, Plug-Play Rack Mount. Remember when backups took forever and patience ran thin? Home lab nights stretched, creative deadlines knocking at doors. Small business servers stalled while clients waited anxiously. I needed something fast, reliable, and quietly powerful. Enter NICGIGA's 8-port 10G Ethernet switch. Silence meets speed. 8 RJ45 10G ports, backward compatible down to 100 mm. Auto negotiation senses device speed, always giving optimal connection. 160 Gbps switching capacity keeps every stream and transfer smooth. Plug and play setup. No configuration, just instant, dependable networking. Durable metal case, industrial cooling, 4kV lightning protection included. Perfect for home labs, content creators, and small businesses. No more stalled edits, interrupted streams, or lost sleep. 1-year warranty with lifetime technical support eases every worry. It felt like reclaiming time, calm, and creative momentum. Check the product link in the description and get yours now. Product 3, TP-Link 5 Port Gigabit Switch, Plug-Play Metal. Choosing a network switch? Cheap hub versus reliable gigabit? Cheap switches, plastic case, slow ports, noisy fans, messy setup TP-Link, TL-SG-105, metal, fanless, 5 gigabit ports, plug and play. Energy efficient green tech, reduces power draw and lowers costs. Fanless design plus IEEE 802.3x flow control ensures reliability. 802.1 PAP DSCP, QoS, and IGMP snooping prioritize video and voice. Shielded RJ45 ports and durable metal case reduce interference. No software, no setup fuss, and just plug and go. Watch LEDs indicate instant link and activity, visual clarity. Adds ports for PC, NAS, gaming console, printer, camera, desktop, or wall mount. Compact footprint fits tight spaces. Backed by 3-year warranty and responsive weekday technical support. Choose TL-SG-105 when you need silent, reliable gigabit expansion. Better than cheap hubs. Faster, quieter, sturdier, energy efficient. Grab yours now. Simple setup, instant wired performance. Hit the product link in the description today. Product 2, 8-port 2.5G switch, plug-play, fanless design. My home network died during the final boss raid. Buffering turned my victory into a humiliating defeat. My NAS crawled. My Wi-Fi 6 felt like a relic. I blamed my ISP, called support. Threats of cancellation, technician scheduled. Promised miracles. Still that curse lag returned. Then I discovered NICGIGA's compact 8-port 2.5 GB switch. 8 multi-gig ports. Plug-and-play simplicity. No software. No headaches. Smart auto negotiation adapts 100M, 1G, 2.5G, universal compatibility. Metal, fanless, silent. My office regained peace, 40 Gbps switching capacity, crushed bottlenecks, 0 compromises instantly. Stable operation, 4kV surge protection. Built like a tank, NAS transfer sprinted. Game lobbies responded, streams never stuttered. Wall-mountable compact design saved desk space and clutter. 1-year warranty and lifetime support calmed my anxieties. Buy NICGIGA 8-port 2.5G switch. Click the product link in the description now. Product 1. Netgear 8. Port gigabit, switch. Plug play, silent. Streaming dropped during meetings. Lag ruined deadlines and client calls. Wi-Fi congestion killed 4K streaming. Gaming parties turned jittery disaster. Printers, NAS, cameras competed for bandwidth. Devices lost connection. I needed reliable wired ports, fast setup, and 0 noise. Scouring online reviews, I found the Netgear GS308 recommendation. Compact metal design, plug-and-play simplicity, energy efficiency, sound promising. Ordered same day. No configuration sounded perfect for my chaotic setup. First feature that hooked me, true plug-and-play, 0 software. 8 gigabit ports gave immediate high-speed wired connections everywhere. Fanless metal case meant silent operation. No distracting background hum. I plugged routers, NAS, consoles. Devices lit up instantly. Meetings regained stability. 4K streamed flawlessly. Lag vanished. Setup stayed discreet on desk. Wall mount cleared clutter stylishly. If reliable wired speed matters, why keep risking flaky Wi-Fi? Grab the Netgear GS308 now. Secure fast ports, silence, confidence. Check the product link in the description and get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.